It's amazing at times when I'm in that meditative state and the creativity just flows. I don't have to work at it. I don't have to think about it. It just flows through me. I become an instrument of that creative force. Uh, it's happened to me 2 times very strongly where I knew I wasn't doing it. I wasn't the creator. It was just flowing through me. Once I was in a play, and the play takes place in the winter, so we're wearing layers and layers of clothes, and the air conditioner broke in the theater, and so it's sweltering hot, and we're just sweating. I was playing an old man, and I had all this makeup on, and I felt like, oh, my face must be melting right off. And the way the scene was staged, I had to be sitting there before I went into another room to see this character and play the scene out. And while I'm sitting there, I was so physically uncomfortable that I went into meditation. Next thing I know, the scene is over. I'm walking off stage and the stage manager is going, yeah, that was great. And I'm like, I don't remember doing the scene. It wasn't me. I didn't do it. And when you create something and you step back and go, oh my gosh, look at that. You know you're not the doer. And all the great artists, creative thinkers throughout history, all experienced it. That's where genius comes from. It's just this energy flowing through you. Mozart would sit down and write complete symphonies without changing a note. Michelangelo said, oh, I'm just releasing the figure that's already encased in the stone. Einstein said he was blowing soap bubbles when the theory of relativity dawned upon him. Einstein talked about this area being the torsion field, where inspiration flows from. So if we're up there, the inspiration just flows. You don't have to work at it. You're connected to that font of creativity, and it just flows.